exhaust leak on both pipes. 3.6 liter V Sport Cadillac Cataract. That's how it sounds. Let's rev it up. Cadillac Cataract, the one we recorded earlier after the exhaust repair. I didn't make a video out of that one, but I'll upload the pictures. Let's see how it sounds now. Hey! Sounds like a normal car now. And that's all for the day. Come back to